Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to verify your Wise account. First, open the Wise application on your mobile device. Sign in using your Google account by tapping on the Google Sign In option. Choose the Google account you want to use. If you don't have an account, you can register by entering your email address. Select whether you want a personal account or a business account. Choose the country or region you are in from the list provided. Type in your phone number. You will receive a verification code on your phone. Enter the code sent to your phone to verify your number. Set a secure password for your Wise account. Tap on Continue. Read and accept the terms and conditions by tapping on Accept. You can choose to use a biometric login for quick and secure access. If you prefer, you can set a passcode for unlocking the app. If you choose biometric login, tap on Got It. Once your setup is done, you can add a recipient to send money. Tap on Continue to proceed. Select who your recipient is, for example, yourself. Enter the full name of the account holder and the IBAN. Confirm the SSN if required. After entering the details, tap on Continue. You need to verify your identity for security reasons. Select the country that issued your ID. Choose the type of document you will use for your verification, such as a national ID card. Get your ID card ready to take a photo of it. Take clear photos of both the front and back of your ID card. Tap on Submit after taking the photos. Tap on Yes to allow Wise to automatically match your selfie with your ID. Tap on Continue and take a selfie. Select your main reason for using Wise. Tap on Continue. Select how much money you expect to move with Wise in a year. Tap on Continue. Enter your place of birth. Select the reason for your transfer. Review your transfer details to make sure everything is correct. Tap on Continue. Choose the option for instant verification. Tap on Continue to complete the process. Your Wise account is now set up and verified. You can start using Wise to send and receive money quickly and securely. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.